In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send Microsoft Word file to Gmail. To begin, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Make sure you are signed in, then land on your inbox. Starting from the inbox helps you confirm you are in the right account and ready to create a new message. Next, look toward the left side of the Gmail screen and click Compose. A new message window will appear, usually in the lower right corner, although it may open in a larger window depending on your layout. This is where you will address the email and prepare it for sending. Now click in the message area, the main text box of the email, to place your cursor. This ensures the email window is active and ready for you to work in. If anything looks minimized or out of focus, clicking inside the Compose window brings it back to the front. After that, click on Recipients, which is the area at the top of the message where you add the email address. This is sometimes labeled as to. Type the recipient's email address or select the correct contact if it appears as a suggestion. Take your time here because sending a file to the wrong person is a common mistake. Confirm the spelling of the address before moving on. Once the recipient is entered, you are ready to send the message. Click Send. Gmail will deliver your email using the information you provided. To verify that it was sent successfully, go back to the left side menu in Gmail and click Sent. This opens your Sent Mail folder, where Gmail keeps a copy of messages you have already sent. Find the email you just sent in the list. Opening it is a good way to confirm the details are correct. Finally, click on the attachment area within that sent email. This lets you confirm the file is included with the message. If you see the attachment displayed with the email, that is your confirmation that the file went out with the message. That covers everything you need to know.